back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite home improvement topics, and that is how to make your house smell amazing. I really like scents. I really love my house to smell good, so I have some really great ideas to share with you for today. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up before we get started, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first step to a really good smelling house is having a clean house. So I'm spraying down my dirty surfaces using my Method all-purpose spray in the scent Pink Grapefruit. And when you have a scent that you really love, you'll use that cleaner all the time. As you can see, mine's almost gone because I love using this. So this adds a wonderful scent to the house and really makes it smell clean and fresh. Another thing I do daily is add some essential oils to my diffuser and diffuse those oils into the air. Today I'm using lemongrass and pine needle, and the lemongrass really gives this nice kind of Fruit Loop scent, and the pine needles kind of smells like Christmas, but together they're just so fresh and clean. I really love this diffuser because it allows you to put it on for 3 hours. So these oils will diffuse into your home and really make their way into different areas of your home to make it smell super clean. So I think this is an absolute must-have for any household. If you're having guests over, you put that diffuser on and it smells like you cleaned your entire house. So let me know down below in the comments if you use an oil diffuser and which oil combinations make your house smell amazing. Another impactful way to make your house smell amazing is through your laundry detergent. So all the products you use in your laundry really diffuse a scent into your home and your clothes, and I feel like that's one of those things that you can smell instantly when you walk into someone's home. I really like using Tide Pods, scent boosters, and fabric softeners. These all have really fresh scents to them, and I love the way they smell throughout the home. So a quick way to freshen up your space is by throwing in a load of laundry. If you're not a huge fan of using those detergents and softeners, you can use these really great wool dryer balls. They're great for drying your clothes, but you can also add amazing scents to the wool balls by using essential oils again. So by putting a little bit of grapefruit oil or whatever your favorite is and throwing it in the dryer, it will add that beautiful scent to your clothes, your towels, your duvets, and really freshen up your laundry. So definitely consider that when trying to freshen up your home. Sometimes even after doing the laundry, you'd think these laundry machines would be clean and fresh, but you get sometimes this musty smell coming from the laundry. So I'm going to be using this fresh washing machine cleaner, and it's just a tiny little pod that you can throw into your machine, and it really cleans it and gets rid of that musty smell. There's lots of areas of your laundry tubs that you should be cleaning, but this is something you can use when needed to really make your laundry room smell its best. Now, bounce dryer sheets have to be one of my favorite things to use to really give something an instant refresh. I'm using these to wipe down the furniture around the homes, including sofas, chairs, pillows, and it makes it smell like you put your furniture piece through the washing machine. It's incredible, it's instant, and it really makes the smell radiate throughout the space, so it makes the entire house smell so good. So if you're running your laundry, you're wiping down your furniture, your whole house will smell incredible. And you can use these in whatever scent you like. They even have unscented ones, but wiping down furniture really makes such a huge difference to the smell of your home. Now moving my way to the bathroom, there's always different scents going on in the bathroom, and here is an amazing way to really instantly refresh the space and have a long-lasting smell. I'm using essential oils again, and putting these essential oils in the toilet paper roll. If you pull out your toilet paper roll and drop a little bit of essential oils into the cardboard, every time that roll spins, you will smell the essential oils diffusing throughout the air. I use tangerine oil and it smells amazing. I really love these hidden scents where you can't figure out where they're coming from. So another thing you can do in the bathroom is pour some really good smelling Pine Sol or cleaner into the scrub holder. So the toilet bowl scrubber can get pretty gross and smelly. So if you pour some really good cleaner into that bowl and set your brush in there, it will keep that brush clean, but also make the air smell a little bit better. So I use the mandarin scent and it really smells so fresh. The front door entryway is definitely an area that you really want to keep smelling clean and fresh. Right when you walk through the door, you don't want to be smelling stinky shoes. And to be honest, my shoes are smelling a little bit questionable. So I'm actually going to use some dry shampoo and spray the inside of those shoes to really soak up the smelly oils. This is my favorite dry shampoo to use on my hair, but now it's my favorite way to refresh my shoes. You can also easily add fresh flowers to any space to really make it smell beautiful and fresh and clean. The flowers and the greenery will purify the air, but they will also give off that beautiful floral scent. This mixed bouquet of flowers is really great because each flower has its own scent. I also have this beautiful white orchid in the corner, so having 2 sets of flowers in here really makes such a big impact. It's also very beautiful and decorative, so it will always make your space look great and smell great. Also, if anyone knows what this specific flower is, let me know down below in the comments. Now, a great way to make your kitchen smell amazing is by focusing on the sink. If you clean out that sink, it will smell amazing. So I'm going to be using baking soda and essential oils, the go-to cleaner to clean out the kitchen sink. I'm using tangerine oil and lemon oil to really give off a clean, fresh scent. If you mix that up and pour it in your sink and let it sit, it will start to bubble and really start to polish the sink. So using a sponge or scrubber, you can really scrub away all the dirt and food and anything that's really giving that lingering smell, and pour some boiling hot water over the scrubbed mixture. So this is really gonna wash it all away, clean it all up, and make your sink look sparkly, clean, and new. This really got rid of a lot of dirt and grime and got rid of that horrible scent that kind of lingers around the sink. Another area that can really start to smell in your kitchen is the garbage can. So definitely make sure you try and take out that garbage as much as possible, but also try implementing Febreze scented garbage bags. These really make such a big difference and refresh your garbage every single time. Baking soda is obviously an amazing way of removing odors, so it's really great to use on carpets and rugs. I like putting it on this shag rug because this rug really absorbs a lot of scents, and I wait 10 minutes and vacuum it back up. When you add those essential oils to the mixture, it really makes the entire room smell good, not just the carpet. So it's a super easy thing to do to really make that room smell clean and fresh. Now, if you're looking for a quick fix, a linen and room spray is a great option. This is in the scent Lemon Verbena. I got it at HomeSense. I love the look of the bottle and I think it's absolutely amazing just to spray around the room, spray on furniture, on the couch, and leave it in that space for whenever it's needed. Another great way to diffuse scents into the air but also get some time to relax is by using some essential oils in your bathtub. So if you're having a bath at night, throughout the day, you can really make your bathtub feel like a spa experience just by adding some lavender in there, some eucalyptus, tangerine, whatever you may like, but it really changes the whole experience of the bath. And it makes the entire house smell good. When that bath is running and the essential oils are mixing in there, it really just keeps diffusing continuously. So it's a 2-in-1 kind of thing. You get to have a beautiful bath, but you will also have a beautiful smelling house. Now, to maintain the smell of your bathroom, after you shower or after you have a bath, you can actually use a daily shower cleaner, and that will clean off all of your tiles without rinsing. So you can use something like this. This is by Method, and I just love the smell of it. It kind of smells like floral, but this fresh kind of clean scent. It smells natural, and it's just amazing to just spray all over your tiles, in the bathtub, on the handles, and let it do its work. So it's a great and easy way to daily clean your bathroom, but also get rid of that musty kind of wet smell that may linger, and it really makes your whole house smell really good. So as you can see, there is so many amazing ways to make your house smell good, but if all else fails, light a favorite candle and your house will smell amazing. I'm using this white chocolate candle to make it smell like we've done some baking even when we haven't, and it makes your house smell sweet, warm, and welcoming. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching all these different ideas on how you can really improve your home and make it smell amazing. If you have any other ideas, make sure you leave them down below in the comments so we can all check them out. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned on so you never miss an upcoming video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!